Eliminate sagging arms and back fat by doing this. Amazing! Having a toned and slender body is anyone's dream. Muscles toned beyond offering a pleasing appearance to many people's eyes can prevent the first signs of sagging after the age of 30. Flaccidity is the loss of firmness of the skin, which results from the degradation of collagen and elastin fibers, which leaves the skin and muscles loose. Lack of exercise, weight gain, pregnancy, sudden weight loss, hormonal problems and poor diet can lead to the appearance of flaccidity in different areas, especially in the arms and legs. One of the most annoying areas is the area of the arms and the lower back, as they give a hanging appearance of skin that for many people can be embarrassing and can generate drawbacks to choose clothes that make us look slimmer and so to disguise a little flaccidity. What can we do to correct this uncomfortable flaccidity? There are a variety of options that you can use to say goodbye to sagging. One of them is through a routine of exercises that aim to strengthen and eliminate those rolls in the lower back. Applying any of these exercises will not take you more than 15 minutes a day, and thanks to them you can eliminate that annoying fat. Exercise 1. To remove rolls from the back. In the first place, you must have a mat or exercise mat and lie on your stomach. Then stretch your arms forward, touching your ears with your shoulders, avoiding your hands touching the floor, arching your back, leaving your legs straight and firm on the floor. Go back to the starting position. Exercise 2. Toning arms. The exercises are an excellent exercise to tone, just like the previous exercise. Place an exercise mat and put your face down. Lift the entire weight of your body until your arms are well stretched. Keep in mind that the palms of your hands have to be firm and open on the floor to make it easier to push hard. Try in each bend to bring the lower part. I ask 3 favors. 1. Subscribe. 2. Share it with your friends and family. 3.